Good morning, third class children. We are completed third chapter, that is addition. Now we are going to learn subtraction, fourth chapter, new chapter children. In your previous class, you have already learnt how to subtract a 3-digit number with and without borrowing. Now in this class, you are going to learn how to subtract 4-digit numbers with and without borrowing, and some word problems on 3-digit subtractions and some on 4-digit subtractions children. Now let us recall 3-digit subtractions are here. So 8 minus 5. Do you know how to subtract children? Minus means subtraction. Subtractions are starts from ones place. Ones place after tens place digits after hundreds place digits. So first subtract ones place digits children. 8 minus 5. How much? Take 8 fingers, cut off 5. How much is remaining? 3. 8 minus 5, 3. Next 4 minus 2. Take 4 fingers, 2 cut off. How many are remaining? 2. 6 minus 3. Take 6 fingers, 3 cut off. How many are remaining? 3. 323. Next one. 526 minus 412. 6 minus 2. Take 6 fingers, 2 cut off. How many are remaining? 4. Next 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. 1. 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4. 1. 114. Next one. 8 minus 0. 8. 2 minus 5. 2 minus 5. Is it possible? No. Go to borrow. Go to the next place and get borrow. Here, this is hundreds place. So here 9 hundreds are here. We are borrowing 100. So 900 becomes 800. So here 100 becomes 10 tens. 10 tens. Okay. So here already 20 tens and we are borrowing 1 10. 20 tens plus 10. 13 tens. 13. Sorry children. 12. 10 plus 2. 12. 12 minus 5. Count 5 after up to 12. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How much? 12 minus 5? 7. Next 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4. How much? 8 minus 4. 4. 478. This is borrowing subtraction. Next one. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2, 3. 8 minus 0. 8 minus nothing is subtracting. So how much? 8 only. 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4. How many are remaining? 3. 383. Next 5 minus 7. Not possible. Get borrow. 4 becomes 3. 5 becomes, we are borrowing 110 to tens place to ones place. Here 10 means 10 ones. 10 ones plus 5 ones, 15 ones. Now 15 minus 7. Count 7 after up to 15. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How much? 8. Next 3 minus 8. Not possible. Again get borrow. 6 becomes 5. 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 8. Count 8 after up to 13. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How much? 5. Next 5 minus 5. 0. No need to write 0 on left side. So 58 is the answer. Next one. 8 minus 9. Not possible. Get borrow. 9 becomes 8. 8 becomes 18. 18 minus 9. 9 after count up to 18. 9 after 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 minus 9, how much? 9. Next again 8 minus 9, not possible, get borrow. 2 becomes 1, 8 becomes 18. 18 minus 9, again 18 minus 9, how much? 9. 1 minus 1, 0. No need to write 0. 99 is the answer. Okay children, next row. So here some missing numbers are here children, you have to find out those numbers. Now how much minus 3 is 9? How much minus 3 is 9 children? Look here. If there is 2, 2 minus 3 is possible? No. We have to borrow. So borrow 5 becomes 4. Next this 110 becomes, come to 1's place and 10 plus 2 how much? 12. Now 12 minus 3. Count 3 after up to 12. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 minus 3 how much? 9. Correct. Next 4 minus how much is 4? 4 minus 0 is 4. Next 8 minus how much is 5? Take 8 fingers. We have to find out the answer is 5. So if you subtract 3 from 8, you will get 5. So 8 minus 3 is 5. Next one. How much minus 5 is 4? How much minus 5 is 4? How much children? Very good. 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. Take 9 fingers, cut off 5. How many are remaining? 4. Next 6 minus 4. Take 6 fingers, 4 cut off. How many are remaining? 2. So here 2 is missing number. Next 3 minus how much is 1? Take 3 fingers, cut off 1. How much are remaining? 2. So 3 minus 1 is 2. Next 4 minus how much is 2? 4 minus 2 is 2. Next how much minus 3 is 2? How much minus 3 is 2? If you want to know this number, you will add these two numbers, then you will get this answer. 3 plus 2 how much? 5. Now 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3, 2. So here the number is 5. Next 7 minus how much is 6? 7 minus 1. The before number is 6. So 7 minus 1 is 6. Next 2 minus 3 is 9. Is it possible? No. Get borrow. 0. Go to the hundreds place. So 4 becomes 3. This 0 becomes 10. Again we are borrowing from 10 to 1's place. 10 becomes 9. 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 3. 12 minus 3, 9. Correct. 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3. How much? 6. 3 minus 2, 1. Next 6 minus how much is 9? 6 minus how much is 9? So look here children. 6 minus 7 is 9. So how 6 minus 7 is not possible now? Now get borrow. 2 becomes 1, 6 becomes 16. Now 16 minus 7 means count 7 after up to 16. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How much? 9. So 16 minus 7 is 9. Next 1 minus 1, 0. 9 minus how much is 7? 9 minus how much is 7? Sorry, how much is 2? You will get answer 2. How much is 2? So if you subtract 9, if you subtract 7 from 9, then you will get 2. So subtract 7 here, then you will get 2. Next, 7 minus 9, not possible. You have to borrow. Think here you borrow. 17 minus 9 is 8. How much minus 5 is 8 here? How much minus 5 is 8 children here? 13. So if here 4 is there, you borrowed borrow. 6 becomes 5. 3 becomes 13. Now 13 minus 5. Count 5 after up to 13. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How much? 8. Next 5 minus how much is 4? 4 is before number na, so subtract 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay children? Next, word problems on 3-digit numbers. So if you want to solve a word problem, you have to read the problem twice and understand it. After, write the steps for the given information and subtract. So first read the sum. There are 650 passengers in a train. Total how many passengers are there in a train? 650 passengers. 389 passengers got down from the train at a stop. At one stop, there are 389 passengers are got down. Now how many passengers still remain in the train? Now how many are there in the train? So write the steps children. Total number of passengers in a train. Total number of passengers in a train. How many passengers? 650. Number of passengers who got down. How many? 389. Next, number of passengers still remain in the train. Number of passengers still remain in the train. How you will get? If you subtract these two numbers, then you will get the answer. 0 minus 9, not possible. So get borrow. 5 becomes 4, 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 9, 1. 10 minus 9, 1. Next 4 minus 8, not possible. Get borrow. 6 becomes 5, 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 8. Count 8 after up to 14. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How much? 6. 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3, 2. 261. So there are 261 passengers are there in a train. Next, subtraction of 4-digit numbers without borrowing children. Subtract 3506 from 8768. In subtractions, the above number is always bigger number children. So here 8768 minus 3506. Same like 3-digit subtractions children. First subtract ones place digits, tens place digits, hundreds place, thousands place. Okay, first 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6 how much? 2. 6 minus 0. Nothing is subtracting here. So 6 is remaining like that. 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5, 2. 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3, 5. So some more subtractions are here. 4-digit subtractions children. Let's do. 9 minus 2. Take 9 fingers, 2 cut off. How many are remaining? 7. 5 5 minus 3, 2. 6 minus 2, 4. 3 minus 2, 1. 1427. Next, 6 minus 5, 1. 4 minus 1, 3. 4 minus 0, 4. 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1. 1431. Next one. 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2, 6. 7 minus 3, 4. 6 minus 6, both are same, 0. 9 minus 4, 9 minus 4, 5. 5046. Next, 1 minus 0, 1. 8 minus 7, 8 minus 7, how much? 1. 7 minus 5, 7 minus 5, 2. 4 minus 3, 1. These are the 4-digit subtractions, children. Look here, children. This is your course book, children. Subtraction, page number 39. Here are some subtractions I already explained on the board, children. 3-digit subtractions. So you will write the answers in this page. Next, solve the following 4-digit subtractions. These are also already I explained. So write the answers here, children. Okay. We will continue the class in the next video, children. Bye.